Hello students. In the last class we have discussed about the compounds and now we'll discuss about the atoms and molecules. Today's topic is atoms and molecules. So before going to the topic I just want to recall about a matter. What is matter? Matter is made up of an atom and I am sure you are remembered about this. Now let's move to the topic. Okay, atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which possesses all the properties of an element and may or may not have independent existence. But atom nothing but what is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle which we can't see with our naked eye. These atoms are the smallest particle which we cannot see with our naked eye. So, if I speak about the particular of an element, if I speak about the particular element, suppose hydrogen atom, hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element, isn't it? This hydrogen contains atoms. These we can't see with your eyes and it contains and these atoms will possess same property. Got it? These atoms all possess same properties. So they possess all the properties of the element. Got it? So these may or may not have independent existence. Got it? This is all about the atom. Now the atoms comes from the Greek word atoms, nothing but uncuttable. The meaning is uncuttable. The atoms are uncuttable. Okay, now characteristics of atom. Now let's read about the characteristics of atom. Atom of most elements are very reactive and do not exist as a free atoms. These atom elements are more reactive. Nothing but if I take gold, this is a gold and these are the atoms. These are more and very reactive and do not exist as a free atom. Okay, and this is a shining property, isn't it? If you take gold and in this you are taking atoms. Okay, these are very reactive, very active substances. Okay, atoms are very active and these do not exist as free atoms. Atoms of one element are different from those other elements. For example, again we'll take as a gold or and one more we'll take silver as an example. And these are the atoms. Okay, here what I said, atoms of one element, nothing but gold is an element. Atoms of one element are different from those of other elements, nothing but here silver, here gold, and these atoms are different in gold and silver atoms are different and gold atoms are different. Got it? This is the second point. An atom maintain its property through all physical and chemical changes. Nothing but in nature we can see many changes occur in our surroundings, in our nature. Got it? Either it may be a physical or chemical change. Okay, whenever these changes take place, at that time the atom will never lose its property. It maintain its property. Whatever the changes takes place, it never loses its property. It maintain its property and its as it is, and it maintain its property as it is. These Got it? These atoms can take part in a chemical reaction. Nothing but these atoms can take a chemical can take part in a chemical reactions. Got it? Example: sodium, magnesium, helium, nitrogen, and oxygen. Got it? Like if I take atom H, nothing but an element H. Hydrogen contains atoms here. Got it? What will get? H2. So here chemical reaction happened or not? Isn't it? The atom can take part in a chemical reaction. So these atoms can take part in a chemical reaction. For example, sodium, magnesium, helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Got it? This is all about the atom and the characteristics of an atom. Now let's move the molecules. Molecule. It is the smallest unit of an element or a compound and has an independent existence. Nothing but actually molecules. Nothing but these molecules are made up of atom. Suppose if I combine atoms, we can get the atoms like atom plus atom. We will get a molecule. Okay, smallest unit of an element and they are a compound or a component has independent existence. They do not take part in chemical reaction. Here atom will take part in chemical reaction. Here atom will take part in chemical reaction, but molecules do not take part in chemical reaction. Got it? Now the characteristics of molecule. Okay, so they are formed by the combination of atoms of the same element or different elements. So here I am taking a molecule. Suppose if I have H2, H2 is a molecule. H2 is a molecule. Okay. So what we call for this molecule of hydrogen? Okay, molecule of hydrogen. So for what? For this what I needed? Two hydrogen atoms. H plus H. These two are atoms. What we get? One molecule. Got it? And with different elements. They are formed with the combination of atoms of the same element or different elements. Nothing but if I take HCl or if I take HCl. HCl is a molecule. Got it? And H plus Cl. Different elements. Okay. These two are different elements. Or you can take NaCl, sodium chloride. Na plus Cl. Got it? Like this you can take. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and share and like it. Thank you.